Hello friends, how are you today? Today, I will show you how to create a mockup in a very easy way. Do you recall the design we created? Let's generate a mockup for it now. I have also uploaded a video showcasing the design. If you haven't seen it yet, you can watch it from the end screen of this video. I'll include a link to it in the description as well. Let's go ahead. And today we make a mockup of it. First, I'll take it to Photoshop. Let's rename the layers with front and side for clarity. After naming, I will flip the side panel horizontally. After that, both will be selected and centered. Now, we will go to Edit, choose Transform, and select the Perspective option. I'll grab it from the bottom and extend it a little bit. Good. Press Enter. Now I will reselect the side layer. We need to flip the side layer horizontally again. Now, I will set it proportionally. After completing this, my next step will be to create a new layer and fill it with a gradient. I'll set it to 100% opacity at location 50 and make it 50%. The last one will also be kept at 100% opacity. Great. Now, fill it in the layer. I'll also set the blending mode to multiply and adjust its opacity to 20%. Now, I will create the highlight on the front, for which, I will once again create a new layer and use the gradient tool. I will fill it with a white color first. I'll keep the first one at 0%, set the other to 100% at location 2. The center location will remain at 50 with a 0% setting. At location 90, I'll use 25% for the fourth point. Finally, I'll make the last one 90% full. After clicking OK, it will be filled in a new layer. I will set its blending mode to soft light and adjust the opacity to 75%. Great! So far, everything has been going well. Makes it a little more perfect. Now, let's add the final touches with reflection and shading. Fantastic! With the addition of reflection and shading, our mockup is now complete. If you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, feel free to let me know. I'm here to assist you. Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future tutorials. Until next time, happy designing!